I think R.N. Singhdeoji's period. Shatrapati ji can correct me. Earlier it was moved, then Shatrapati, during R.N. Singhdeoji's period, it was approved. Then after Niyogi committee made some recommendations. Then Madhya Pradesh law was brought in during the Congress regime. Himachal Pradesh, a law was brought in Congress regime. Arunachal Pradesh, a law was brought in. Not because of Narendra Modi, not because of BJP, or not because of RSS. Because they have realized that fraudulent conversions are taking place and conversions are creating social tensions. सांप्रदायिक तनाव हो रहे हैं. आपका भगवान को आप पूजा करें, मैं मेरा भगवान को पूजा करूं, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. इस देश में सब हिंदू जिसको कहते हैं ना मैडम, ये सब हिंदू एक मजहब का नहीं है. आर्य समाजिस्ट है, वैदिक है, शैव है, जैन है, साईं बाबा भक्तास है, और साथ ही साथ कुछ लोग आइडल वर्शिपर है, कुछ लोग आइडल बिना अपना वर्शिप करते हैं. इस देश में सिख धर्म का फॉलो करने वाले लोग हैं. इस्लाम, आप मुस्लिम है तो मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आप क्रिश्चियन है तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है? क्या है? हम सब लोग एक है. अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. विविधता में एकता, भारत का विशेषता, यही इस देश का भावना है. मित्रों, I am coming to another point. Some people have the problem of having some allergy to the word Hindu. I would like to take the House into confidence. This word Hindu is not given by Narendra Modi, not given by Venkaiah Naidu or Atal Bihari Vajpayee or Advani, or not even by RSS. RSS name is not Hindu. It is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. It is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. There is a newspaper in this country which is known for its views. Name is Hindu. There is a newspaper in Delhi which is called as Hindustan Times. The name is not given by me. Hindustan Hindi अखबार है. हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड HAL कंपनी है. हिंदुस्तान मशीन टूल्स HMT वॉच कंपनी है. हिंदुस्तान शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड विशाखापट्टनम में हिंदुस्तान शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड है. ये नाम सब कहाँ से आया? ये नाम हमने नहीं दिया, राजनीतिक कारण से नहीं दिया, ये शुरू से आते रहा. ये हिंदुस्तान है, वो पाकिस्तान है, ऐसा उन लोगों ने कहा है. भारत में रहने वाले मैडम, आपको भी याद होगा अगस्त 15 को, नहीं तो 26 जनवरी को जब तिरंगा झंडा फहराते हम लोग क्या कहते? जय हिंद. इसका अर्थ यह है क्या हिंदुओं को जय, बाकी लोगों को नहीं? ऐसा है क्या? नहीं. हिंदुस्तान को जय हो, हिंदुस्तान को जय हो. What is Hindustan? Hindustan means all people, irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region. India is one. We are all one people, one country. That is the issue. So we are a party which believe in such philosophy. We believe in such philosophy. Then how can we be accused of? And then people who are responsible for the partition of the country, who are responsible? Whose party is responsible? And that party joins the Congress government and teaches and preaches lesson to my government. And then this Hyderabad, my friend, he was giving me lecture. What his brother has said, I can't quote because he's a member of the Legislative Assembly. What he has said about Hindu gods, I don't want to repeat it because we should not use this forum to rouse passions outside and create tension which is not there. What is required is not tension, ma'am, attention towards the development. That is the agenda of this government. So keeping that in mind, what I appeal to all parties in the country is seriously introspect on this. Let there be anti-conversion laws in all the states. Let there be anti-conversion law at the center also. Let us all seriously work towards the progress. We preserve our culture. You feel proud. If you feel proud that you want to be a Hindu, no problem. Or a Muslim, no problem. Or a Christian, no problem. We are मजहब अलग है, मगर our सबका संस्कृति, सबका जीवन पद्धति एक ही है. पूजा पद्धति अलग है. मजहब पूजा पद्धति होता है, संस्कृति जीवन पद्धति होता है. आदिकाल से, वेद काल से, पुण्य काल से, पुराना काल से जो पूर्वजों ने जिया और दिया हमको विरासत में मिला, वही भारतीयता है. और कुछ लोग उसको हिंदुत्व कहते हैं. आप नहीं चाहे तो उसको भारतीयता कहो, नहीं तो इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा आपका व्यामोह है तो इंडियननेस कहो, हमको कोई आपत्ति नहीं. मगर बाकी लोगों को उनको मजाक उड़ाना, सैफरनाइजेशन हो रहा है. कहाँ सैफरन? क्या सैफरन कोई गलत शब्द है क्या इस देश में? सैफरनाइजेशन हो रहा है, ये हो संस्कृताइजेशन हो रहा है, और ये हो रहे, ये एजेंडा ला रहे, वो एजेंडा ला रहे. वी आर वेरी क्लियर ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव प्रॉमिस्ड टू द पीपल. We will be working hard only to fulfill that agenda. And our leader, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya said, Antyodaya, upliftment of the poorest of the poor, Daridra Narayan ka seva. Swami Vivekananda ने कहा, और पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय ने कहा, और नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी भी वही कह रहे. इसलिए मित्रों, बाकी लोगों के मन में कोई गलतफहमी नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं हमारा जो विपक्ष है, इन लोगों का मेरा आपत्ति इतना ही है, सिंपल. अदरवाइज आज मैडम रूल्स आपको भी मालूम है, मंत्री नहीं है तो डिबेट का स्वीकार करने का कोई जरूरत नहीं था. Minister has to be there, but still I have agreed to accommodate them because they are thinking something is going to happen. Any number of times they may raise such issues. There won't be any increase in tension outside. There will be only focus on development. That much I can assure them. And if there are specific complaints, Uttar Pradesh, something is happening, the DM, the SP, the state government, they have to take the action. If something is happening in other state, that state government has to take action. If you want an advisory from the central government, center is ready to help the states in maintaining law and order, in maintaining communal harmony. But any number of times, within 6 months of coming to our government, you want to thaw us. No, it is not acceptable. You want to thaw us, हम इसको स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे. And you want to use this forum of parliament to defame my government, to defame my prime minister, and you give slogans against my prime minister. That is not acceptable. People's mandate is for Narendra Modi for this period. BJP. So, madam, I am sorry. I have to speak this because, as I told you, each person in their own way brought different things into picture. And then my minister, one of the very good minister, able minister, Smriti Irani, she has been performing her responsibilities in a nice manner, effective manner. People who heard her here in the house, they are all very much impressed by her, this thing. And you try to brand her as if she's going to astrologer. What is wrong in that? I don't understand. You don't go. You don't go. Who asked you to go to astrologer? This government has not issued circular to all. Everybody should go to astrologer. I will not go. I will not go, first I'm telling you. I will not go. But point is, why do you insult? Why do you insult others' belief? And as long as the belief do not come in the way of a public order, as long as the belief do not come in the way of the progress of the country, you should allow that much freedom to the people. You are saying that ये तानाशाही नहीं चलेगा. मैडम लास्ट टाइम भी कहा, मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूँ. आपका संख्या कितना है? इतना लोग, इतना पार्टियां हाउस में बैठे. I think 4/5 of the parliament is sitting here, and then you 1/5 people, you accuse us, and you want to speak, you want to disturb, you don't want anybody else to say anything, only your thing should go on record, and you go on using the same gramophone record every time. It's not acceptable. There is a saying, ma'am, I don't know whether आपको ऐसा कुछ अनुभव आया नहीं आया. बचपन में हम लोग रिकॉर्ड सुनते थे, ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड, स्ट्रक पिन, वो ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड, HMV ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड, वो कुछ दिन के बाद वो स्ट्रक होता है, वही खड़े होके वही गीत दोहराते रहते हैं. चलनी राजा वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा. ये क्या तरीका है? How many times? When I'm not joking, ma'am. This is in my entire villages. This is what people talk about. You can talk to anybody about HMV gramophone record. That gramophone record has gone now. Another records have come. But my point is, my friends, if they want to raise the issue, they must have the patience to hear the response. They must have the patience to hear the criticism from the other side also. Otherwise, one-way traffic नहीं चलेगा. One-way traffic नहीं चलेगा. ये तो उनको समझना चाहिए. So I only hope that in future, whenever they give notice, we are ready to discuss, debate on each and every issue. My Prime Minister told me, let us discuss any issue, every issue, any time, provided the chair admits. Ma'am, lastly, I want to submit to the entire House. Yes. I have been seeing from the day one, every day adjournment motion, every day suspension of question hour. If it is your policy, no question hour, try to convince others. The ministers, they will not have any work because there is no question means. No question, no answer also. But you put the questions and then don't allow it. Then, and you say, नहीं, आपने भी विपक्ष में किया, कुछ किया है, तो फिर ऐसा करते रहेंगे क्या? शुरू से 5 साल वेट करो, कुछ स्कैंडल होने दो. ऐसा कोई 2G हुआ नहीं, ऐसा कोई CWG हुआ नहीं, ऐसा कोई कोल स्कैम हुआ नहीं, कोई आदर्श स्कैम हुआ नहीं. कुछ हो गए तो तब आप कुछ आंदोलन करें तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. अननेसेसरी क्यों आप इतना विचलित होके डिस्टर्ब करते? मेरा प्रार्थना इतना ही है विपक्ष से, प्लीज हैव पेशेंस. द कंट्री इज वॉचिंग ऑल ऑफ अस. मैम, द अदर डे वन यंगस्टर फ्रॉम BJD, Tamaraswaja Sahu, I don't remember his name. He spoke on IITs and education. I was really thrilled. The next day, I saw another boy from Telugu Desam, Ram Mohan, speaking in English. I was thrilled. Then I found members from TRS, Kavita, first timer to the parliament, and she was explaining her point of view. I always feel proud because they are our children. They are the future of the country, whatever party they may belong to. I saw ma'am, the other day you have complimented Poonam Mahajan. हमारा मित्र प्रमोद जी का सुपुत्री है। प्रमोद जी मेरे पहले वो संसदीय कार्य मंत्री के रूप में काम किया है। We all worked together for years. I cherish his memories because both of our general secretaries in the party and also have taken many decisions and always used to be helpful to the Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister those days. His daughter, she has lived up to the expectation. There are a lot of other examples from different parties. The way they are speaking, the way they are articulating, the way they are projecting different issues, we should all feel proud. We must allow such a debate. Country is watching towards the parliament. And moreover, they have a greater responsibility. Comparatively, they say you are a new party. You are not born even before independence. We only brought independence. They are saying that. That being the case, you are expected to behave in a more mature manner. This is only my advice to the Congress party friends. You please have some patience. Wait 5 years, and then again we can take. I can assure you, ma'am, the House, that the government will do whatever is required to maintain communal harmony in the country, maintain social tranquility in the country, and Centre is ready to extend any help to any state. I have consulted my Home Minister officials also are here. I have consulted my colleague Home Minister also. If there was a proper notice beforehand, he would have been here. He would have been more effective in responding to this. But this responsibility is given to me because our friend said it should be discussed today itself. So I have to take up this responsibility. I think I try to convey the thinking of the government and also the expectations of the people to the extent possible. Thank you very much, Madam. Namaskar.
Yes. Thank you. Now